Hello guys, and we're back again with another Let's Play. I guess it's a Let's Play. Today we're going to be continuing off on our legendary campaign on Halo 3. I didn't say this in the beginning, but like, I had my fan off during that entire recording, and when I finished it, I swear to God, it was just so hot in my fucking room. Holy shit. So, now we're just gonna see how long I can last without the fan on. Because if I turn it on, this is what it sounds like. You can probably hear in the background it gets annoying. It starts blowing in. So I'm turning that off for a bit. We were still on here. Yeah, like when I recorded that first part, it was like 7 p.m. But by the time I uploaded it, it was fucking like 1 a.m. I think it's currently 1 a.m. Now. So after looking at it, I'm just gonna say, hey, I'm gonna record one more time and then upload it.
Sorry for the tight squeeze. Tell the commander her ace is in the hole.
That's me when I'm trying to do my upload schedule. Remember, this is Africa. White.
No way.
I don't mean to shit on people who are white in Africa, but fuck,
You
dude.
better not be. Oh man, he's here. We're gonna be
Where
all
did you
right.
find him?
Napping out back.
I'll bet. It's good to see you, Chief.
Likewise, ma'am.
Let's get you up to speed.
These people are gonna end up dead.
Ships breached the lunar perimeter, smashed what was left.
At least there's
of
an
the
Asian
whole
dude.
fleet. Terrestrial casualties from the subsequent bombardment were extreme. Truth could have landed anywhere, but he committed all his forces here, East Africa, the ruins of New Mombasa. Then they started digging.
What about Halo?
We stopped it, but only temporarily. Now the Prophet of Truth is looking for something called the Ark, where he'll be able to fire all the Halo rings. If he succeeds, humanity, the Covenant, every sentient being in the galaxy.
The rings will kill us all.
Ma'am, I
So
have
any
more good.
hardcore Trump or
Patch him
Biden
through.
supporters.
Good news, Commander Keyes?
Good as it gets, sir.
So I see. What's your status, son?
Green, sir.
Glad to hear it. Commander's come up with a good plan, but without you, I wasn't sure we could pull it off.
Truth's ships are clustered above the excavation site, and his infantry has deployed anti-aircraft batteries around the perimeter. But if we neutralize one of the batteries, punch a hole in Truth's defenses,
I'll initiate a low-level strike. Hit him right where it hurts. I only have a handful of ships, Master Chief. It's a big risk, but I'm confident.
Hell, not again.
emergency generators, now!
Shielding failed. They're down and charging.
As soon as they're up, re-establish contact with Lord Hood. Let him know.
All of you vermin.
If anyone is actually dedicated to this Let's Play, could someone edit
that you might
the Prophet
escape the coming
and
fire?
just puts Joe Biden's like picking for the vice president,
Until its surface is but glass.
or any type of fuck up that he did, otherwise known as every time when he's on
Will live
TV.
to creep, blackened from its hole to mar the reflection of our passage, the culmination of our journey. For your destruction is the will of the gods, and I am their instrument.
Every time I heard instrument as a kid,
Bastard just loves to run his
I would always
Did you
fucking
mention me?
think of like, what is he, a fucking trombone?
Give
I was
the
a really
order,
stupid
we're closing
kid.
shop.
I'm pretty stupid now,
We're about
but
to
I was
get hit.
stupider back then.
All personnel.
The wounded.
defense code Alpha
We're getting
1,
all of them
prepare
out.
for immediate
I
evacuation.
have to carry him myself.
Ma'am, squad leaders are requesting a rally point. Where should
I'm
they
probably
go?
gonna have to carry it. Like I carry the entire team on my back.
Sure.
Let me see. The worst thing about this table,
We just lost the perimeter cameras.
I heard this from the
Motion
previous
trackers?
recording.
They're down or we're not receiving. Can't
This is
tell.
what happens when I shake my table. You can hear the squeaks.
Any of our birds squawking?
No, ma'am. Wait, Overwatch has contacts.
Oh look,
Phantom's
it's
closing
like
on
an
our
actual
position.
bird.
Any birds less than 5 minutes out? Bring them
Come
in.
on, sir. I'll show you the way.
All right, before you do that though, I gotta make sure if this is recording. Yeah, it is still recording. Alright, just wanted to make sure.
Glaciers built for some 20th century war.
Because...
Full of old tech, like these door controls.
Get those turrets up! Watch your fields of fire!
Point of entry, best assessment.
Hangar Sergeant.
Agreed. Master Chief, get there.
We're with you, Chief.
We're with you, Chief.
Following, sir.
Please don't, because you'll probably die. Like, I'm just doing this in your care.
This channel is secure.
You guys
That
fight
fire
until you
spread.
just absolutely
Can't hold
die.
out forever. I need that hangar cleared for evac ASAP.
Let's do this. Let's not do this. John freaking Halo up in there. Wait, did you guys shoot me? Okay, you did. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa. See, after like several hours of like eating and doing other shit, I think I'm fully energized to like fight a holy war against these filthy cubbies. The cubby wubbies. Ew. Damn. Oh shit! Alright, hold up. Actually, I should just keep this. Oh Jesus. Flee! Oh hi! I'm taking this. Actually, no. You come back here. You come back here. Oh wait, where's your guys' battle rifle? Oh, never mind. It was from the corpse.
Hey! Oh, you're mine! Hey! Cat!
Oh, Jesus.
Wipe those bastards off the deck!
I was about to punch you, man, dude. What's your name? Oh, there we go. We're having diversity here. We're meeting diversity quotas. Wait, is that the same voice for Nathan Drake from the Uncharted? Probably is. Actually. Oh, shit. There we go. I remember playing this campaign with my dad. He would always like play the second player because I would always. Well, it was just constantly fun playing with him. But nowadays we don't really play that many games together. Oh jeez. Okay. Don't mess with John freaking Halo. Oh god, I'm dead. 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 I'm dead.
They killed the chief, you bastard!
They killed the chief, you bastards. Yada yada, John Halo. Actually, let me take yours. You're welcome. Actually, we'll just Zoidberg, you better kill that guy. Don't. See, these guys are actually doing more help than the first mission. What is wrong with you people? And this is for being a dude. Destroy that gun. Okay. I'm gonna press that mouse for it. This is the part of... See, these Marines are actually doing better than the previous one. I already said that before, but I just need to point that out. Because the guys just instantly died in the first fight. These guys, ooh, there's something else. Okay.
Pelicans can't launch until the hangar's clear! Frag out!
Someone say lunch. Guys, I'm serious. If you throw it again, I'll unload the entire minigun into one of you.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Go.
Expected more of a fight.
I expected more of help. Actually, no I didn't. Fuck.
Chief, op center, double time. The brutes are pressing hard.
Alright, double time means half the time. I'm gonna take this minigun with me. I shouldn't have a tard guard for this. Could you imagine the idea that, like, some of the dead bodies had bullet holes in them? Like, do you think the Master Chief just goes by and then in the next autopsy report, people are like, maybe a suspected, like, traitor in the myths?
Hey, you hear that?
Oh, okay. I was actually gonna be like, you might be crazy, and I was like, oh, okay, the bugs things.
Attention. Hostiles reported outside the barracks.
This used to terrify me as a kid.
Following, sir.
I don't want to follow you. You guys that generally stop moving shit.
Barracks are under attack. All available combat teams respond. Anyone in the barracks, I need a sit rep. Now.
I just noticed this. What's this walk that Halo or John Halo gives? Guys, I know it's not John Halo, but
Sir, this way.
Look! Coming out of the vents!
Line them up! Line them up!
What the hell are those things, Sergeant?
Drones! The whole swarm!
this is what happens whenever I leave that one Dorito chip on the ground.
Sir, this way.
My name's John Halo, and I'm pretty.
Look! Coming out of the vents!
What the hell are those things, Sergeant?
Drones! The whole swarm! Take them down! Short...
Oh Jesus! All right, just instantly rip it out. Okay. So.
Sir, this way.
Look! Coming out of the vents!
Line them up! Line them up!
What the hell are those things, Sergeant?
Drones! The whole swarm!
I realize that the assault rifle is like one of the worst guns. Like maybe it has some use to it, but like when it comes to generally in the comparison of a battle rifle, like do we see how efficient the assault rifle is for the battle rifle though? Like look at this. They're going down like flies. And yes, I made that joke. And yes, I did mean it. Did it actually change your, you know, way that you viewed that joke? No, it didn't. Wait. You're hiding in the corpses. I've played Call of Duty World at War.
If I try to hook up a timer, it might go off all by itself.
Johnson.
Fine, I'll set it off.
That out. Chief, have a look. A little going away gift for the Covenant. We've linked it to smaller charges throughout the base. Johnson, soon as the evacuation is complete, start the timer.
Understood.
Good luck, everyone. See you on the last Pelican out.
Does this lead to someplace?
Follow me, Chief.
No. Master Chief, would you mind doing... I messed up that joke. I was gonna say, mind, telling me what you're doing? And I was gonna be like, sir, looking at
Brutes
these
have taken
big
the barracks. Marines are trapped inside.
Okay.
Those apes ain't much for mercy, Chief. We both know what they do to prisoners. Get to the barracks. Save those men. And escort them to the landing pad for evac.
Spread out! Track it down!
That was just... Okay. See, I don't want to shit on Halo 3, but I think that on Legendary they're... Wait, is this on Legendary? Just to be sure. Yeah, it's on Legendary difficulty, and they're just fucking dying left and right. Granted, it might just be like Halo in general for their AI system, but it's been a while since I played a Halo game, so I generally don't know. Okay, he's gonna go crazy. Hey, don't do that, buddy. Your friend killed you. How does it feel knowing that your friends betrayed you in every single moment? Oh, yeah, you...
Let's go get him. Let us do
That was a needle's work. 125 IQ. That's lower than average. What am I talking about? That was not the right... Okay, this is gonna be the guy with the gravity hammer. I'm sure of it.
Follow me.
Oh, no. Guys, this is like 2500. This is what shotguns are supposed to be like? Oh. Oh, now I noticed that it's legendary. He dodged that. Oh no. I dunked you, bruh. I dunked you. That was better graphics than Halo Infinite. Bruh. Oh, shit. I forgot how janky the the physics were sometimes. Then again, in my previous video, I literally see people just... Go in there. You go. You guys are gonna stop them my fall. Or you're at least gonna feed the drones. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're not doing that bit. You could go in though. Maybe they feed a part of their own kind.
You have been called upon to serve.
I remember when I was a kid, there was like a huge infestation of like bugs everywhere. Oh, that was a 2-for-1. But the way that it happened was that
Half with insects. The prophets use you like they use
David!
me.
It's
Reject
Keith!
their lies. Rebel!
You can do it, Keith.
All your hives will perish.
Keith, you're improving. I like you now. Alright, Keith. You know what to do. Reminds me of how I used to do it.
No! Please!
You can't toss people around, that's my job! See, like that. These are really, like, long range. I think that's gonna be the death of me. Get up there. He unironically withstood a grav attack. There's 4 in there? What would wait. I actually want to see what would happen if I unironically, like, went in there with a... Oh.
No! Please!
Go! See, I saved him. I'm a hero. This is in the back. This is legitness. Okay, this is the checkpoint. Oh shit! Wait. That was stupid. Alright, we gotta do that again. It's like really satisfying to just off them. Oh shit! I keep on getting cocky with the giant hammer. Okay, so the guy, does he teleport in there? So he's in here. Yeah, he literally just waits. Oh my god. That was a luck moment. Scaredy cats. I'm gonna use a flare. I go by him. If you say it's pretty dehumanizing. Of course, I think that's the idea of what they're doing because they refer to me as a demon. I'm an angel with a shotgun. Nope. Who eats people whole again? Ignore all of the sounds that I make every time when a grenade's right next to me. Because you will probably just get annoyed very quickly. Oh, those are those people over there. Alright, if I do those things again, like up there, I could probably get a jump on them. And judging by like how well the regenerative thing works, maybe I can... Maybe not. I'm a dog chasing cars. Oh, phooey, my brain went to a full comatose. Can I say phooey? Right there. Run. Go. See the big man. Go. Wah. 150 IQ. That's above average, right? Alright, I'm switching to Grav Hammer. There's literally not going to be any use for it. Okay, get the regenerative. Okay, get Battle Rifle. Battle Rifle is like one of the most useful things to use during Legendary. You could just simply stay behind cover.
Don't lose him, vile demon!
Like you can easily like one-hit him with a headshot.
Take one of these!
That's how every one of my jokes feel like whenever I tell him it's going to go over my head or my audiences. The audience of 3 people. He's gonna go crazy and come after me. Every time when they make that noise, they're just gonna come after me. Because I am a...
Disgusting worm!
I know what you are, but what am I? Run, you cowards!
I got this! I see trouble.
No shit.
Everyone, grab a weapon.
I like how they only like do their shit whenever they see my face. Like all the brutes are gone. However, like when they're like, oh, "It's John Halo," that's when they start rising up. Like,
You hadn't have been here, I wouldn't be.
that's usually how it goes. Thank you.
See him? Where the hell he go? There! Look out the right!
This way! Stay there!
God.
Damn you, God!
Oh, damn you.
Motherless cur!
Now those are really starting to hurt. That comment was really uncalled for.
Scum!
See, that's more like it. It's obligatory. Like, it's not personally name-calling them. It's about their
Ready to do
movement.
this? On my mark.
The demon! Over there!
My guess.
Ready to go? Yes, there. On my way.
My guess is that they don't have any armor, but I shouldn't get caught. The SMG is dog shit.
Give me some cover. I'm going in.
See, at least the shotgun has a decency to kill something. Never mind. Okay. There we go.
We did all we could. Let us move the survivors up to the hangar. There is a lift outside.
Yeah, that's gonna be a thing of the past. Survivors. There's never gonna be any survivors. They're just gonna be future casualties.
Commander, we lost the ops center. Brutes attacked in force. Couldn't hold them off. Falling back to the hangar. But don't wait for us.
What should I do, ma'am?
Hold position. I'm not leaving without him.
Oh, why do you have a shotgun? There you go. At least assault rifles are better than that shit. Okay, you're gonna die first, and then it'll be you. Either by the brutes. Get out. Oh shit! No! Keith! I know I meant to lock you up, but like, stay. Oh. Yeah, stay in the corner.
I've got movement above Ambulog. Brutes. They've got jump pads.
They're going after the thrusters. Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Good thing you got here.
Oh no 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 no!
I want to take your head over the jar.
I'm throwing these grenades like there's no tomorrow, as I said before, but I don't give a damn. But like, I'm landing these shots, and I'm pretty surprised at that. I didn't even intend to hit that guy. Oh, come on. I'm stuck with only shotgun ammo. And in 2 or 3 shots, I could be dead. Okay, I gotta bait him. Oh, fuck. Hey guys, can I borrow your jetpack? No. Okay. Come on, you survived space, pussy.
Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Shake them off. Shake them off. Oh, I fucking did it again. You can just easily fall, call the elevator, and then just do that shit again.
Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Okay. So.
Thank God you're here.
You unironically twirled to avoid that, and that succeeded. I'm fucking doing that. Come on, don't do it again, bud. Don't do it again, bud. Come on, do more, do more. Come on, hit me. That part was unironically easy just because it was predictable. This wasn't. I don't know what's going on.
Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Alright, then we wait for them.
He's trying to take cover.
He unironically killed himself, didn't he? Let's kick names and take butt.
Drones, go! I'll cover you.
Oh wait.
Roots, in the ops center. They disarmed the bomb. Sorry, Commander, there were too many. Even for me.
Chief, get back to the ops center. Kill those brutes.
I'm going the wrong way,
I've got to get these men out of here. But I'll radio with another exit. Good luck.
People unironically died here before they even... What the fuck? What the hell? Wait. Oh, I could get cloaking. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I'm not risking that. Man, what did I do today? I literally just planned like a let's play, and then I waited for not only for Halo to download, but for the video to upload. Which, to be fair, I did not know take that long to do. So that kind of sucks. But whatevs. It'll be out when it's out. Like Linkara always says.
You will be the protectors of Earth and all her colonies.
Yes, me, the Lightbringer, Linkara. Don't you point at me, you son of a bitch. I'm gonna bring this. Not that. Take this. Take that. Kill all the elites with a wiffle ball bat. It's me, Master Linkara, the Lightbringer. Oh shit.
Chief, follow the service tunnel to the motor pool.
Damn it. Woo! Stay dead. It's easy, man. It's easy. Well, they need a little work on like the Juggernaut guys, like in one hit after I fully load a clip into them. I actually want to see that.
We have taken their command center. Have you discovered how they plan to stop me? Not as yet, noble prophet. Find me what I need to know, or your place on the path is forfeit.
Oh shit! That did not go well. Oh, wow. I guess. If anyone walks in here, they're gonna be suspecting something. You! Me! Taste the light! Okay. Every time when I, like, as I said, when I feel like I'm about to die, I just go all self-defense mode, and by self-defense mode, I mean, say the most stupidest shit.
Command center. Have you discovered how they plan to stop me? Not as yet, noble prophet. Find me what I need to know. Your place on the
path. Did he call me a retard?
We have taken their command center. Have you discovered how they plan to stop me?
He flat out tried to head. Did he fucking headbutt me? Okay. I feel like this is Edge of Tomorrow, and I'm just Tom Cruise, just going through the same things until I finally get it right. It's sci-fi Groundhog Day. I know you're coming through that. Wait, never mind. 900 IQ now.
Our food has taken cover.
Why is he chasing me?
The demon must die.
Yeah, that's a brute. I was making sure if it wasn't just a simple computer. Wait. That little steel fence is what's preventing his death. Come here. No, the grunt killed me. He's now gonna be promoted to Arbiter. There's gonna be a little grunt Arbiter who's like, I killed the demon. That's how I assume like how Arbiters work. Keith David did it because like it was a suicide mission basically.
Plan to stop me. Not as yet. No. Find me what I need to know. Your place on the top.
Oh my god, I hate this. And I also hate the fact that like the room's getting hotter and I'm about to sweat.
We have taken their command center. Have you discovered how they plan to stop me? Not as yet, no. Find me what I need to know. Your place on the path.
Jeez Louise, you smell like the McGee's. I used to say that as a kid and it was really dumb. Jeez Louise, you smell like the McGee's. Like, what the fuck is a McGee? Well, it's a name. Put it up. The other one sucks to look. Put it up. And now it's John Halo.
We have taken their command center. Have you discovered how they plan to stop me? Not as yet. Find me what I need to
A worthy opponent. Now, the fight will be glorious. Yeah, keep talking, buddy. Keep talking about your worthy opponent. Alright, all I need is one pistol to fuck him over. Watch this. What did I say? Hey, I'm not the one with the cone heads, alright?
That did it, Chief. Bomb's armed.
I don't know if you know much about history, but a lot of people with cone heads aren't appreciated much in our society. We gotta escape. You feel fear no more. Alright, well. Got that from Oni Place. It was like one of their hypotheticals where, oh, hang on. They were like, where Zack, where Psychic Pebbles was, talking about how, what if their boss's mouth was like twice as long? To Tomar, one of the other guys. It was like such a fucking hilarious thing. I can't really describe it now since I'm kicking a bunch of Coneheads' ass. Or Alien Eric Cartman. My fucking
There will be
God.
a great deal of hardship on the road ahead.
No shit. Oh, I got him! Oh, Jesus. I'm the expert when it comes to grenades.
You will become the best we can make you.
That's gonna be really great, Cortana, but unfortunately there's a bomb about to go off, so if you could just... They're just helpless. What am I doing? Oh, now they're no longer helpless. Now they're just dead.
There isn't much time, Chief. Find that elevator.
Oh, now they're all after me.
Don't hurt me!
That's a bit too late for that, bud. Yeah, that's gone, that's gone. If I throw a grenade. Okay. The missiles don't explode. Something that a missile is probably best used for. Got that noted.
Scared to fight us?
No.
Bomb's about to blow.
I can ask you the same thing, motherfuckers. I'll let you live. Don't take my servitude for granted. You took my servitude for granted.
This place will become your home.
This place will become my tomb. Fucking called it. Fuck. I think this ends part 2. We're gonna do this mission based. Maybe later in the morning I can record another video, but for now, we're just gonna end it off here. I really hope that this whole series kind of not really takes off, but at least gets some support. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Also subscribe for more content like this. If you want to just see me being alone and talking to myself, that would be ultra great.